Should I start selling online? Or renting a home to make $5K in a month, or should I try something else? Earning $5,000 a month adds up to $60,000 a year, which is a substantial sum. The good news is making this kind of money doesn't have to be difficult. Retail Arbitrage talks about buying discounted products, including online, to resell on Amazon for a profit. For example, you purchase item of $5 from Walmart and sell it on Amazon for $20 for a profit. Starting an Etsy shop is an ultimately low-risk business idea. It is also best because it's free to create an account and only pay $0.20 per item you list on the website. You can make money from your assets like home, camera, or other things, for example, spare storage space with a website like Neighbor, or your internet bandwidth with apps like Honeygain. Apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash pay for delivery. And the best part of this is that you get to work on your own schedule to make $5,000 in a month. Get paid to sites pay you money in exchange for completing tasks. This is probably best because you make regular income and cover up your college expenses easily. Answering few questions such as what is the best way to make $5K in a month? Completing online tasks like surveys and watching ads are the best ways to make $5K in a month. How to get $5K in a month without investment? Without initial investment, you can rent your assets on platforms like Turo, Honeygain, and Airbnb. What to do when I fail to make $5K in a month? We learn from failures, precisely try another idea if one fails, and keep trying is the best thing to do. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos like this.